I'm making some tea, and I thought that I would just talk about like my plant-based journey, see if anybody else can relate. Let me just preface this by saying though that I'm not looking for like advice or tips or anything. It's been a couple of years now, so I've got most things figured out. I just wanted to share my story. So in case anybody else is going through something like I did, then they know they're not alone, and it does get better. Also, that's the tea that I'm making. I love this brand. Anyway, so it started a couple of years ago. Well, actually, it started like almost 5 years ago now. I live in Indiana now, and I'm from New Mexico. I used to eat meat, and I used to drink, all that other stuff. But my husband and I started talking like late October of 2018, and it was kind of crazy how it happened, because I was trying to get sober, he was getting out of a bad relationship, and we just met at like the perfect time. But anyway, I moved here, and within maybe 2 months, red meat started making me real sick. Like, we'd have it for dinner, and I'd wake up in the middle of the night just real sick, and I'd have to get it all out. I had killer heartburn, and it was crazy. There was one time that it got really bad, and I was just stuck. I was purging for, I don't know, probably 10, 11 hours. It was bad. So we went to the ER, and I got like the GI cocktail and whatever. I was like, oh man, that was crazy. That super sucked. That's never happened to me before, so I thought it was just like a fluke, whatever. But I started to tone down the red meat, because it kept happening. It kept making me sick. Hamburger, it didn't matter, whatever it was. My body just ejectocito, was not having it. So I started eating just chicken and fish, and I was like, no hamburger anymore. I would just have like shredded chicken really with all of my sides, but then that started making me sick, and the same thing would happen. I'd get really sick, and I'd be puking for hours and hours and hours. We'd go to the hospital. It was bad. And I was like, okay, no hamburger, no chicken, fish. I love fish. I love sushi. I had bad sushi one time, and I just chalked it up to, it being actual raw fish. But then like salmon and tilapia would make me sick. And I know tilapia is kind of like a garbage fish, but like those are relatively good for you. So we just started looking for more answers, and I'm gonna do a part 2.